You've just discovered a gorgeous bungalow in Discovery Ridge. Welcome to this beautiful home. When you walk into this home, you don't just see the beauty, you also get such a beautiful feeling. It's warm, it's inviting, it's gorgeous. You just want to sit down and enjoy. In the kitchen, you'll notice the beautiful detailing continued in the granite countertops. There's an inlay run all the way around. These are amazing. The backsplash is so beautifully done and unique. Even the tops of the cabinets and the wooden pillars on either side of the kitchen show off this gorgeous classic home. You also have this breakfast nook, which overlooks your private treed backyard. This living room has a gorgeous vaulted ceiling, letting in all that natural light. And you have your formal dining room just off to the left. Right out from the breakfast nook, you'll have access to this lovely balcony, and there's also access from the primary suite. So you come right out with your morning coffee, perfect for barbecuing, and again, you have these beautiful trees giving your yard such a sense of privacy while also letting in the lovely sunlight. This pantry is very cool because it's kind of hidden. You have this beautiful glassed-in door. You open it up and you walk right through. There's tons of storage for your appliances, for pantry items, and then your laundry room. So you can actually have a dedicated space, easily closed off with lots of storage and shelving, and then it leads right out into your mudroom and garage. The primary bedroom is a true retreat. It's a beautiful, spacious room, lovely windows, and even this cute window seat to really set it off. Again, with that access out to your balcony and the beautiful bathroom and full walk-in closet. The beautiful powder room and this main floor office complete the level. And what a gorgeous office. You have glass double doors, lovely bay windows that let in all this light, and it's just such a perfect space. This lower level is a home in and of itself. There is a walkout to your backyard, a complete kitchen neatly tucked in the back, a living room, a theater room, 2 spacious bedrooms, and a full bathroom. It is incredible. Let's take a look at that kitchen. The lower level kitchen was completed in the last year and custom done, so it looks the same as the upstairs kitchen. It's a beautiful flow. You'll notice the unique backsplash, which is bronze. It looks so cool and really makes this kitchen pop. You'll also see these beautiful custom pillars, again, which were made to echo the pillars upstairs. This is incredible. The yard is a beautiful space for gardening, for visiting, and just for enjoying. The big mature trees surrounding the back of the property provide so much privacy and really make you feel like you're tucked in. Inside the fully finished garage, you'll notice a custom-built platform. So if you have an extra fridge or freezer, it's a great spot. And your brand new VacuFlow system is accessible in the garage. The front yard is beautifully landscaped. The driveway and sidewalk are this lovely cobblestone leading up to the house, complete with a custom-made, all metal worked handrail and a side door for your garage access. You'll also notice beautiful gemstone lighting that has been recently put in around the house, and it's custom lighting, so for Christmas and all of your holidays, you have only to touch a button. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed discovering this exquisite home as much as I did, and it shows even better in person. If you love this home and want more details, you can check out the link in the description below, as well as share and like the video. Until next time, keep it real.